How to keep bloodthirsty horseflies away from your pool. Horseflies are annoying creatures that are among the largest, most aggressive types of flies. Because they are highly active in warm and humid weather, horseflies are frequently seen close to lakes, beaches, and swimming pools. Horseflies are attracted to water mainly because they need water conditions in order to lay eggs. It's the bloodthirsty females that actually bite because they need to feed on blood in order to be able to produce eggs later. Horseflies are also attracted to carbon dioxide, and the warm carbon dioxide coming from your pool is a special treat for them. Here are several ways to get rid of those annoying horseflies around your pool. 1. Remove debris. Disposing of any food or garbage from the pool area is one approach to get rid of horseflies. Horseflies are drawn to waste, thus keeping your swimming pool clean and keeping the trash cans away is essential. 2. Homemade repellent. This homemade horsefly repellent is actually quite effective. Combine 16 ounces of white vinegar with 2 tablespoons of baby oil and a squirt of dish soap in an empty spray bottle. Shake the mixture thoroughly and spray directly on horseflies. It's safe to use anywhere around kids and pets, but deadly to the horseflies. 3. Keep your swimming pool covered. Horseflies are very active during June through August. Keeping your pool covered when not in use will help discourage them from coming around. 4. Keep vegetation around pool to a minimum. It's essential to remove any plants from the swimming pool area because they are the perfect breeding ground and a refuge during hot periods of the day. Horseflies' preferred habitats are restricted when your grass is kept short and your garden is weed-free. 5. Burn candles and lamps with citronella. Horseflies and other biting insects are repelled by citrus scents, and those that do approach will find their senses blunted and have a difficult time landing on you. 6. Homemade horsefly trap. Mix together 2 cups of water, ½ cup of sugar, and ½ cup of vinegar. Cut an empty soda bottle in half and place the top half in the base, upside down, to act as a funnel. Poke 4 holes on the sides of the trap and loop string through the holes so that it can hang from a deck or fence. Pour a few tablespoons of the liquid mixture into the trap. Hang several traps around the pool area and discard them when they are full of dead flies. As you can see, there are plenty of safe and natural solutions of managing and preventing horseflies around your pool. Drop us a comment and let us know which method worked best for you. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.